What if I told you a speaker small enough to carry with one hand could fill your entire backyard with music, survive unexpected rain, and keep the party going long after sunset? Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Outdoor speakers have gotten better, louder, tougher, and smarter than ever before. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, heading to the beach, camping under the stars, or hosting a backyard barbecue, the right speaker can completely change the experience. Let's get started. Number 5. JBL Go 4. Don't underestimate this little speaker. The JBL Go 4 proves that size isn't everything. This ultra-compact speaker is built for people who want music everywhere without carrying bulky gear. It easily slips into a backpack, clips onto bags, and travels almost anywhere. Despite its small size, the sound is surprisingly impressive. Vocals come through clearly, instruments remain distinct, and the bass has more punch than you'd expect from something this compact. JBL also gave it a rugged waterproof and dustproof design, making it perfect for hiking trips, pool days, beach outings, and everyday adventures. Battery life is solid for its size, and the lightweight build makes it one of the easiest speakers to carry around. If portability is your #1 priority, the JBL Go 4 is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Bose SoundLink Max. Now let's move into premium territory. The Bose SoundLink Max is built for listeners who care about sound quality just as much as portability. This speaker delivers rich, detailed audio with a wide soundstage that feels much larger than the speaker itself. Whether you're listening to acoustic music, rock, hip-hop, or podcasts, everything sounds polished and refined. One thing Bose consistently does well is clarity. Even at higher volumes, the SoundLink Max avoids distortion and maintains impressive balance across the entire frequency range. The rugged, outdoor-ready construction includes water and dust resistance, while the integrated carrying handle makes transportation easy. If you want premium sound in a portable package, the Bose SoundLink Max is hard to ignore. Number 3. Sonos Move 2. The Sonos Move 2 is one of the most versatile speakers on the market. Why? Because it feels just as comfortable inside your home as it does outside. Unlike many portable speakers, the Move 2 supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, giving you maximum flexibility wherever you listen. The sound quality is outstanding. Stereo audio creates a wider, more immersive listening experience, while the bass remains deep, controlled, and powerful. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, the Move 2 delivers consistently impressive performance. Battery life is also a major upgrade over the previous generation, making it a reliable companion for long listening sessions. For people who want one speaker that can do almost everything, the Sonos Move 2 deserves serious consideration. Number 2. JBL Xtreme 4. Need something bigger, louder, and built for serious outdoor fun? Meet the JBL Xtreme 4. This speaker is designed to bring energy wherever it goes. From beach parties and tailgates to backyard gatherings, the Xtreme 4 delivers room-filling sound with powerful bass and impressive volume. What makes it stand out isn't just loudness, it's balance. Even when you crank the volume, vocals remain clear and instruments stay detailed instead of turning into a muddy mess. The waterproof and dustproof construction means it can handle outdoor life with ease, while the included shoulder strap makes carrying it surprisingly convenient. But taking the #1 spot, the JBL Charge 6. This speaker gets almost everything right, and that's exactly why it sits at the top of this list. The JBL Charge 6 combines excellent sound quality, rugged durability, strong battery life, and impressive portability into one complete package. The audio is energetic, detailed, and powerful enough for almost any situation. Whether you're camping, relaxing by the pool, hiking, or hosting friends in the backyard, the Charge 6 feels right at home. Its waterproof and dust-proof design is built for adventure, while the long-lasting battery keeps the music playing throughout the day. So, which outdoor speaker would you choose? The ultra-portable JBL Go 4? The premium Bose SoundLink Max? The versatile Sonos Move 2? Or the all-around champion, the JBL Charge 6? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget, all product links are waiting in the description if you want to check current pricing and full specifications. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and audio reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.